What if I told you there's a planet-sized bullet hurtling through space right now, and it's aimed directly at our solar system? This isn't science fiction. Astronomers have actually detected it. And if it reaches us, everything you know could end in an instant. Right now, as you watch this, NASA's Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii is tracking an object cataloged as 2024 GL9. It's not an asteroid or comet. It's something far more terrifying. At 1.3 times Earth's mass, this rogue planet travels at 56 kilometers per second. And the scary part? Its trajectory suggests it could enter our solar system within the next 50 years. We're not talking about some distant possibility. This is a threat that could affect people alive today. But here's what makes this object truly terrifying. It's a rogue planet. Unlike planets in our solar system that orbit the sun, rogue planets wander through interstellar space alone. They were either ejected from their home systems during planetary formation, or they formed independently in deep space. 2024 GL9 has been traveling through the void for millions of years, gathering speed and momentum. And right now, it's heading toward us with the destructive power of 10 billion Hiroshima bombs. But wait, it gets even crazier when you understand what happens next. The moment 2024 GL9 enters our solar system, it becomes a gravitational wrecking ball. First, it would disrupt the Kuiper Belt, that ring of icy objects beyond Neptune. Thousands of comets would be knocked from their stable orbits and sent hurtling inward. Some would head toward the sun, but others, they'd be aimed directly at the inner planets. Earth would face a cosmic shooting gallery unlike anything in recorded history. But that's just the beginning. The real devastation comes from what happens to Jupiter. Here's where our protector becomes our destroyer. Jupiter, the gas giant that normally shields Earth from incoming threats, would actually amplify the danger. As the rogue planet passes by, Jupiter's immense gravity would slingshot it on a new trajectory, potentially straight toward the inner solar system. Even if it doesn't hit Earth directly, its gravitational influence would destabilize every planet's orbit. Mercury could be flung into the sun, Venus might collide with us, Mars could be ejected entirely. The delicate balance that's existed for 4.5 billion years, shattered in months. And we're about to reveal the most shocking consequence of all. Now for the scenario that keeps astronomers awake at night, direct impact. If 2024 GL9 were to strike Earth, the energy released would be 100 million times greater than the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. The initial impact would vaporize continents. The shockwave would circle the globe multiple times. Oceans would boil, the atmosphere would be stripped away, and the debris ejected into space would create a temporary ring around Earth, a tombstone for our civilization. But here's the twist. Even a near miss would be catastrophic. The most terrifying truth? We might not see it coming until it's too late. Rogue planets are dark. They don't reflect much light because they have no star to illuminate them. 2024 GL9 was only detected because it passed in front of a distant star, causing a gravitational microlensing event. There could be dozens more out there, invisible to our telescopes until they're already upon us. Our solar system isn't a fortress. It's a target in a cosmic shooting range, and the next shot could already be on its way. So, what do you think? Should we be investing more in planetary defense systems, or is the universe simply too dangerous for any civilization to survive long-term? If you want more mind-blowing cosmic scenarios, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because the universe has more secrets than we can imagine, and we're just getting started uncovering them.